Hi everyone, so today we have another video report, and in this video I will tell you more about this Victorinox watch. And as you can notice, this is completely new model, so-called Airboss series, and it's interesting because it's a GMT function with internal bezel and also with a quite busy dial. So this is definitely not a small timepiece. And as you will see in this video, there will be some wrist shots and it requires some thicker wrist. So if you have a thin wrist, then definitely look onto some other models from the same brand. But what we have here is quite impressive combination of the materials and the design, because the overall styling is rather, I would say, strict. And you can notice on the video that we even have the textile and the rubber straps. They are finished in a special style, and this is quite interesting because it's supplied in 3 versions. So first of all, here you can see the red one, and I think it's the most I would say noticeable one because of the bright strap, but then at the same time you get the black dial and the black case. So it looks quite interesting, and of course you can change the strap if you would like to, and now you can see how it looks on my wrist. So if you take a closer look, you can notice that the dial features not only the indices but also the digits, the separate hand for the GMT, hours, and also some additional indicators. Now another version is the full metal in this nicely polished case, and it's a really interesting take on the same design, because if you compare it with what we had in the black watch, here we have a rather more shiny version. And the metal strap is finished also in a special design, so you can notice that it's quite a hefty accessory, and overall composition has some weight, so it's definitely not for the weak hands. But overall I think it's also a good design, even though I would rather prefer the full black version because it looks a bit more sophisticated. And another one is the silver color case with the blue dial and blue rubber strap. It's also quite interesting take, because as you can see we have here this blue color working nicely with the silver case, but I think it will be a matter of your personal preference which one you will pick. And these watches should be available quite soon. Of course I will be happy to hear your opinion, so do not forget to write it in the comment section below.